I don't even want. I might need to go on. I don't even want to do an intro for this one, but I will. Hello everybody to my channel. If you're new, which you more than likely are, welcome. If you're not new and you're returning after watching any of my other videos, then welcome back. It's a pleasure to see you here. We're gonna be having fun. I've been messing around, and I figured, hey, why not let you guys join in on the lots of fun I've been having? Especially with all these fun things I've installed. Like this. I think I had a dream like this one time. Or I'm just having deja vu. Actually, I'm probably having deja vu. Um, what would be the best way? This? Ooh. Actually, I've always found it so interesting that they have, like, actual, like, well-designed organs. Though I don't think humans are actually this fragile. Believe it or not. As a human myself. uh, what an awesome masterpiece of an item. Oh yeah, there's these weird things. Oh, no. We want... Aw, I only got one? Rigged. This is all rigged. I deserve... I don't... What would be the tone for that? Whatever, I hit all of them. Shut up. Get with my chainsaw! Oh, he's immune to the chainsaw. Aw. I still don't at all know how to... I don't know how to use that. All I know...
Uni beam ready, sir.
That's absolutely amazing. I hit him so hard that this guy came loose. Oh my...
Uni beam is fully charged.
Also, why did these zombies have, like, half their brain? Actually, I'm also gonna turn down this, because you don't need to hear the destruction. Like, it's literally just the sound of constant thrusters and stuff. Can I do this? Ooh, I can do one at a time. Your brain is no more! Oh. I don't know what that does. But I know what this does! Yeah! Oh, this is awesome. Don't worry, guys, I'll save you! I'll set you free! Oh, no! Don't worry, I'll save you! Oh, he was almost saved. Apparently the laws of gravity didn't abide by him for a moment there. What did I just do? Oh, I can! Ooh. I might have, Oh, dang, I hate when this happens. Um, uh, let's see. Fire! Not decimated him. No, no, no. Wow. Oh, oh yeah, I wanted to test out this. Acid! Oh, can you imagine how painful that'll be? Oh no, his leg! It somehow cleanly, like, cut his leg. I, I forgot that they were built like that. Yeah. Don't ask me, man. I didn't make the map. Finger. I'm going. I, I was gonna say something, and I'm not gonna say it anymore. Pew, 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 pew. That's an awesome sound effect. Pew! Oh, man. I don't know what this does. Hey, hey, get beat up. Oh, it's literally just like punching. It does a lot more damage. Wait, can I punch your insides? Wow. Pew! And your entire face comes off. Ooh, I actually wanted to test out these. Wow. Oh. Oh, I'm so sorry. No, I'm not. Oh my god, do you see that? Oh, we gotta let him stop spinning for a moment. Oh, the childlike glee of seeing people have their stomachs torn open. I gotta put a warning on this video because technically that counts as gore. I just absolutely decimated that baby. Hello, young child. Oh, you see, he looks slightly normal from the front, and then you go behind him, and he doesn't look good at all. Oh, wait, can I? Oh yeah, I've got this lighting. Get out of here! Hey, clean up on aisle, um, none, because this isn't an aisle. Can I punch the? I don't think I can punch this. Okay, maybe I shouldn't have tried to punch that. Um, well, okay, we're back. As much as I would have loved to stay on that other map, um, we're not going to. Because I have other things to explore. Oh yeah, I have a black hole. Um, I I probably shouldn't have one. I don't know how to really activate it. I think I just gotta. I activated it once. Yeah, brick! No. Can I shoot it? Wait, can I use the sledgehammer? Oh. Oh. Okay, well that's there. We're gonna let it stay there for a little. And we're gonna... God, that's loud. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go somewhere else. Um... Actually, wait, does that take away my health? No. No, I just lose health because despite having a double jump, which I don't even remember installing, I can't... I still take fall damage. Lovely. Alright, we're gonna... Uh... Hmm... Well, I am a FNAF guy. Which apparently is what my channel is already becoming, and I've uploaded 3 videos. We want... We want Freddy Fars Nose. Actually, we want all... We want all... We want all of them. Alright, guys. Hi, buddies. Yeah, you all are hanging out. Yeah, no, can't touch me. Fire tornado. Let's see if you guys can survive that. Freddy's not even... Oh. Bonnie lost his ears. Foxy's completely fine. Mostly. And Chica's fine. Freddy didn't even get... Freddy stood right next to it and did not care. Uh, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to do that. Can I... Ow! Oh, Foxy couldn't get me because I was crouching. Um... Oh, yeah. So I did weld him. Yep. It takes a lot to kill you guys. Also, Freddy is surprisingly fast. Oh yeah, this just... I don't know what it does, actually. Wow. Yes, they're stuck together! They can't do anything about it now. Oh! I've already gotten to destroy 10 million voxels. Oh! I can still move when I'm dead. I'm not sure if that's a mod or something to do with an issue with a mod, or if that's just part of the game. I would love if it's part of the actual game. Okay, apparently it says I can hover, but I can't really.
Unit be ready, sir.
No. Please H. Um. God. Destroy that. Okay, we're gonna move. So we're gonna do something else. Oh, that got rid of the regular game HUD as well. No, I kind of need to see what I'm doing. Oh yeah, I got an ice gun. Oh. I'm the real Mr. Price. Um. Uh, no, I don't want. I don't know where the. Oh, wait! I killed Freddy. Oh my god! I did it. I killed Freddy for his nose. We're gonna need to run experimentations on them in the next video, which I will be doing. I love this fucking game. I'm gonna be doing so many videos on this. Why are you stuck in the ground? Yeah, like we've seen they all can die. Apparently not you, Chica. Apparently you don't wanna die. I didn't mean to press that. Ah, okay. I got a little too close. I'm trying to get a bit quirky at night, you know? We just need to give her some nitroglycerin. And she'll be having a swell time. Why are there stairs beneath the slope? Is that to help you walk up it? Oh yeah, what does this do? I assume it's from like a game or something. Um. Oh yeah. Ooh, what? How are you just completely fine after that? Oh, no, it just took a while for gravity or reality to kick in. She kind of looks menacing, like being the only one. One punch. Um. Oh, that's lava is messing with things. Also, I know that is a really bad screen to look at. I don't like looking at it either. I don't know what the fly thing. Ooh, is that does that, but I don't like it either. Uh, okay, well, either way, I know not much happened. But yeah, it's still I love this game. It's truly the best thing I've bought, and I've only had it for like an hour. Or technically, I've only played it for like an hour. I've had it last night, but I was tired and didn't want to play. But either way, um, oh yeah, that will be the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. Uh, if you'd like to see more of my content, go ahead and just check out my channel. Maybe like, subscribe, comment, all those things. Um, oh, and I will be trying to. I'll put a link to a Discord in the description below. Bro, actually, I don't know if I can, but I'll try. Um, if not, I'll just put it in my channel description thingy. Go ahead and join that. I would quite appreciate it, and we would love to have some members. Of course, just abide by the rules, or you will be instantly banned. We do not tolerate, or maybe instantly banned. Whatever. Um, either way, that'll be the end of this video, and hopefully, I'll see you all on the flip side.